Hey, Sid. Happy Mango Monday. Those nighttime information technology classes must really be getting to
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Office. Please disconnect all phones immediately. People had been getting spam calls from random people. These phone calls are unknown, but people speculated them to have no dangers, but to harm your phone system. Answering these calls is unknown. If you get one of these spam calls, please report it to police immediately, or it is certain you lose phone power. Please stay tuned to Los Angeles Times, NBC, and CNN stations for more updates, as these are only the systems that didn't lose power in their phones.
A 911 telephone outage is in effect for Los Angeles County until further notice due to residents reporting calls that there is a talking pig on phone. If you have an emergency, please call 1-877-275-5273. Remember, the 911 system is experiencing an outage in the Los Angeles County until further notice due to the fact there is reporting calls about a talking pig calling them, giving them threats to go to a secret location. If you have an emergency, please call 1-877-275-5273.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Residents listening to this message must lock all doors immediately. There had been multiple phone calls to the police that there had been murders found in alleyways, dumpsters, forests, and even some areas around the Hollywood sign. The killings are unknown, and around 46 were killed in Los Angeles County. If you report a body or the suspect, dial the Los Angeles Police Department at 1-877-275-5273 to file the murder. If the suspect attacks you, use all means to protect yourself and loved ones. Stay tuned to local media outlets on this highly dangerous and disturbing situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department in the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Office. The suspect identified is now a human piglet. I repeat, the suspect is identified as a human piglet. Murders have skyrocketed to 46 to at least 230 around them. People need to shelter in place or evacuate to a place immediately. If you're in a car, please exit Los Angeles County as fast as possible. If you're at home, find somewhere to hide. If you get a phone call from the report that happened at least a couple hours ago, do not answer it. People also found that whenever John Pork kills you, he cuts open your remains and spells the word Porky with it. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill.
People inside the casino, please evacuate to a nearby emergency exit. A human vehicle has entered the building and is suspected from the Los Angeles murders. I repeat, there is a mutant piglet named John Pork in this casino. If you're in the hotel area, please take the nearest fire exit, as that is the only way to go. Thank you for your time. We ask that only with supplies you move out. If you have too much, just leave. He is expected to shoot up the building very shortly.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the mayor of Las Vegas. If you are a 40-mile radius at Treasure Island Casino, evacuate immediately. John Pork from the Los Angeles murders was found shooting up the casino. People near the casino needs to take the following supplies to their shelter: non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with at least extra pairs of batteries. Treasure Island is also expecting to be blown up. If you are in the casino, you need to find shelter in the lowest part of the building and cover yourself with pillows. If you don't have a mask, go to a bathroom and wash a paper towel and put it over your face. At least 10 to 25 pairs to protect yourself from radioactive sickness. Stay tuned to local media outlets on the situation.